All right, so the bezel for this light was all messed up, rusted, and the light inside burned out. So for a total of 12 bucks from Home Depot, a little bit more than that, I got one of these drop-in LED retrofits, which are really quite simple. All they are is an in there that goes into the socket for a regular light bulb, and it was already connected, but you just connect those two together, put the two clips in as normal. There and there, there and there. This is an old light fixture that it's going into. And you just shove it up there, just in case you guys wanted a better representation of what everything looks like in there. It's so damn simple. Of course, it doesn't surprise me you can buy these, but until today, I just realized you could. Not bad. Super easy, super cheap. And it's kind of funny because if I wanted to put a new LED bulb in there, it was a little over half the price of what I paid for this one. So all in all, I'd say this is an excellent deal. And they have all kinds of different ones available at Home Depot. So if you're looking to renovate your bathroom or at least update your lighting, this is a cheap, simple, and easy way to do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. But these are actually amazing. I'm going to buy a couple of these for the house too. You guys can read this over if you want. Not too bad. Stay tuned for more videos.